Australian. Ooh, the jungle. Just a little tour of this one is Uniqlo, same style as Oasis. Completely It has some jungle vibes, like green stuff all over, and some birds all over. It's just the same vibe. Nothing pretty much different. But I think I can capture it in 3 minutes. I want to go to the walking street, the other side of the walking street. Last time I was at the beach side. I want to go to the other side. No, I don't want to go out. There's just one floor. That's about it about this Jungceylon mall in Patong. And then there's another. Oh, this is side there. Let me go start my video again. The other side. I don't want to go out, but I want to go outside the other side. Just taking a random view. But I want to need to be shop for 2 minutes. So I'll cut between here and step another one.